Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a very simple and easy DIY using this Dollar Tree Merry Christmas sign and some foam board. Now I was looking to make my last Christmas idea for my home, and I wanted to do something with this Merry Christmas sign, and this one came a little damaged. A lot of the red parts were missing, so my first idea was to just make this sign a little bit gold and reddish because I did not feel like going to exchange this for a new one at Dollar Tree. So some glitter and some spray on glue achieved this look right here, and I think it came out gorgeous. And I let that dry over there in the corner so that it can get better. Now I am using some foam board. I created a big circle in the middle, and then I'm going to use my hot knife to cut this out. You can use a hot knife, scissors, X-Acto knife, or whatever else you can come to mind. I really love a hot knife because it's very simple and easy. It cuts like butter, and it's just so much more forgiving for your wrists and your hands with all this cutting. Now here is how you achieve the boxwood look. This contact paper I used for a video before by using contact paper on your floor. I had some left over. It's a great video, check it out. And this was going to give me that wood grain look on my foam board. Now the very most important thing to do before applying your contact paper is to apply some sort of adhesive, because your contact paper will peel up and come off of this foam board piece, especially as I wanted to make sure I engulfed the entire piece of foam board by wrapping my contact paper all around it. And whenever you wrap contact paper around certain objects, it starts to come up and it's not sticky like it should be. So using some type of glue would definitely help, and making sure to try to line up your seams as much as possible is also going to be a great tip to do when you are applying this contact paper. Make sure you have enough extra around the sides, as I stated, because you will be like wrapping the foam board in the contact paper to give it that universal look on the sides, is also in the front. Now you easily could just go right ahead and just fold the seams over onto the foam board, but I wanted to make sure I did not have no bulges, so I'm just using my scissors to cut a little bit, and so I can make it a lot more flat, and using hot glue to keep it all down in place. So now it is time to build the actual sign. So you will go right ahead and you will use hot glue to affix the sign to the contact paper. But do not worry, you are able to remove this from the contact paper using slow lifting steps to get it off, because the contact paper does have a very smooth surface, so when you remove the hot glue from it, it will not tear. And I did take the rope part off at the top because I did not like the way it would look hanging up, so I just hot glued a paper clip on the back so that it can affix to a wall without it look like it's hanging from anything in particular. I wish I had a bow, but I didn't, so I used these holiday bloom flowers from Joanne to give it some cuteness, put a little feminine touch on there, but I wish I had a bow because they would be so cute with a bow and the flowers. But hot glue is what I used to affix it to the contact paper as well. And that is all I did. This was so simple and easy and very inexpensive. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and a happy new year, and give me a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe, and leave a comment if you would like. Until next time, I will be doing a New Year's DIY, so look out for that as well.